Hey friends, does the ability to be able to check your SEO title and descriptions as well as keep track of all of them in one place sound interesting to you? If so, stay tuned because I've got something I'd like to share with you. If we haven't met already, my name is Meg. I'm the founder of Floating Lotus Design, and I'm a Squarespace web designer and SEO specialist here to help you elevate your website and your business without the tech overwhelm. So while I am a web designer and an SEO specialist, I'm obviously a website owner too. And so I practice my own SEO best practices. And of course, that includes making sure that I have proper SEO titles and descriptions for all of my web pages and blog posts. But one of the frustrating things that I found, and no shame on Squarespace, is that once I have that title and description and I copy it into the settings of my page, if I want to go back and check it, review it, remind myself what the heck I wrote, well, I have to go into each page and each setting and find it. And I was really wanting to find a way to I just need to keep track of these all in one place. And at the same time, it would also be great to have a place where I could just quickly paste in my title and description and make sure that they are at the correct optimized length. Well, what I've come up with is a very low-tech, simple way of doing this, and I'm offering it up to you as well for free. It's just a simple Google sheet, and I've called it the SEO Character Count Companion Tool. It's a bit of a mouthful, I know. It's basically one Google Sheet with two tabs. Now, on the first tab, you can paste in your titles and your descriptions and get immediate color-coded feedback as to whether or not it's too short, too long, or just right. And once you have those optimized titles and descriptions, you can just copy and paste them into the second tab and link them to the sheets that they belong to. That way, as your website grows and your blog post goes, you don't have to go back into your website and go into each page's settings and look up the title and the description just to check it or review it or jog your memory. You have one spot that you can go to and search and sort to your heart's content and find everything that you need quickly. And it's great to always have a backup of all this information off the platform. And what I really liked about this is not only does this work for me and I wanted to share it with you, is that I know a lot of folks out there, we're looking for a low-tech, simple way of doing things. And yes, there are a lot of great online resources for you to be able to check your titles and your descriptions. And sure, I encourage you to use those if you like them. But there's something to be said for a little bit of low-tech convenience. So being able to pull up one Google Sheet and check the character counts and making sure that they're optimized and then being able to store everything in one place is just a nice way of being able to handle these things without having to combine multiple tools. So if a low-tech, simple, streamlined solution sounds like just the ticket for you too, you can grab your free copy using the link in the description.